I'm me, and he's he. And we're gonna review this thing. Wah, wah, wah. Do we like it or not?
Spoiler alert. Junk!
I found this wonderful, in theory, humidifier by Onson. The Cool Mist Ultrasonic Humidifier. Now, you might be able to tell that it's got a digital display. You might notice that we have two. And it's not because we purchased two. And no, they didn't send us an extra one.
Because they're both freaking broke, brand new out of the box.
This one came in yesterday?
Yesterday.
Came in yesterday. Now, I will say this. Amazon did phenomenal with this because this was like...
Easy return,
what?
And they showed up. Well, maybe it was 2 days ago because we ordered it and then like a day, I think. So, but yes, within a stroke of about 2 days, we've had two delivered.
So, we set it up. This is number one.
And it technically works, but the display is just totally borked.
So,
In theory, this should say something like 1 for the low setting or low.
or two. But part of the digital number is not lit up. And
Yeah, it actually does switch 1, 2, and 3, the amount of stuff coming out.
but you can't tell what it is.
Especially with the timer. It's got a sleep timer, but
But how you can't tell.
yeah, there's no way of knowing because the display is completely...
Right. Yes. And then we turn it on.
No display! Yet. There we go.
Oh, look. And it doesn't even look like it did a minute
Wait,
ago.
that might be a Nokian. It's a warded humidifier.
But yeah, it, like,
Wait, I think that's Tron.
I mean, it doesn't do anything. And if you hit like, that's not a number. All right, now I'm at close-up
I'm going to
view.
go with the fog effect.
Well, I'm just showing the display so that you can see.
Well, you still see the fog drifting in front of it.
I don't even know if they're on the same setting.
I think they are. I have no idea. But yeah, that's just how messed up the displays are. You can't even tell.
One might be a little more than the other.
Nope, that's low. Medium.
Or
High.
maybe they are.
Low. Medium.
Which doesn't light up.
High.
So yeah, I would say that these two are going back, and we are not going to purchase another one.
Yeah,
from
I'm a firm
Onson.
believer that anybody can accidentally ship a DOA product. It happens. But when the same
like our
company
short
sends
thing.
you two in a row DOA is just,
So
that's
anyway,
quality control at that point.
I guess the thumbnail will say Onson. Now,
Wait,
go
no,
ahead,
it's going to say non-son.
It shouldn't say Onson. It should say non-son. All you keyboard warriors go, she can't even pronounce it. How does she know she's using it right?
We actually read the manual.
Yep, so, like it or not, we do not like it.
But yeah, the downside is it just feels cheap. It does not feel worth the $30 that I paid for it. These buttons are not very responsive, and 2 out of 2 had bad displays. So that's kind of a summary of...
So 2 out of 2 are going back.
Yep.
And we just are putting this up there in case the company goes, well, what was the problem?
There you go. Yeah, because they gave the standard box reply. We looked on there and looked at some of the
Someone else-
1-star reviews, and other people have complained about the same problem. Even down to I got 2 in a row, they were both broken. So we're not the only person to get 2 in a row broken.
So either we got the same ones that they sent back that were broken.
Yeah, maybe they threw them right back in the thing and sent them back out again. I doubt it. Because all those YouTube videos of people buying pallet loads of Amazon returns wouldn't be there if they were just sending stuff back out.
All right, well, we'll see you next time. Bye. I'm me. He's he. And we're gonna review this thing.
And by that she means complain about it.